If you are coming into the city of Enugu, you will notice that all the roads leading in and out of the city are all under construction, especially the highways. From Enugu Port Harcourt Road to Enugu Onitsha Road, Enugu Abakaliki Road, which is also being dualized, Enugu Makurdi Road also being dualized, and Enugu Eke Obinagu Road. Join me on a quick ride through Enugu Abakaliki Road down to Eke Obinagu and the new Enugu city through product to see the current state of work going on over there. Feel the way the side and cause and even kind of excavation and feeling. Under construction. Enugu Port Harcourt, Enugu Onitsha, Enugu Abakaliki, Enugu Makurdi Road, and Enugu Nsukka. Enugu Nsukka is state road, then cause of the state road now. But I'm talking about. Okay, I'm talking about that. I thought by the side down since anything. I've gone there before, I'm one of the like up to about Eke. That was apart from the Denga and Denga Nsukka, not Denga Benue State. I did some short videos about that.
nobody I got like normal.
So outside, yeah, I'm not that side. I'm hoping on the Gan Suka by before month end. Then next month is Anambra because through that they will do the city tour, mostly Oka, Alesha, and Adigo.
Gonna call you
having such feelings, you call her. Do you know what she would have told you that might encourage you? Or even prayed with you? Or even pray for you and pray with you? But what's happened that changed their mood from good to bad? Are you missing your roommate? Are you missing whether the way you guys parted on the hotel? What is then bringing out tears from your eyes? I beg, don't be in a bad mood again. Don't be in a bad mood again. No. Always make yourself happy. Find how. Hey, I'm also now. Whenever you want to get in a bad mood, find something to do and be happy.
Try to burn me down, but my spirit just refined like a phoenix from the ash. Find my strength from within. I am stronger than before. I know. Let it go. I'll carry you in my heart, hand in hand, I'll build again. No one tells you all the ways my heart will break and expand. I am stronger than before. I know. Let it go. Full release, winter sleep, spring new life, summer thrive. Full release, winter sleep, spring new life, summer